This is an even route for horsepower. Just want to show you today how to fit an engine kill switch. Very simple, a couple of seconds, you're done, safe. So what I did, I bought this kill switch for around 10 quid. Works nicely. And to kill it, you connect it and to here to ground it off. It came with 2 wires. This one's not needed, so get rid of that. Start it up, ran it, killed it, worked perfectly well. Just a little tip. So 10 quid online. Connect it to your tiller. I wrapped it around because the cord's way too long. And connect it to this exhaust plate here. And then when you switch it down, it kills it, grounds it off. Hope that helps. Hope that helps anyone out in the situation. Thanks for watching.